Want to keep your bag looking flawless? Let's break it down step by step. First step, gently wash the pattern part using a sponge. This keeps the design vibrant. And then, scrub the cork material with a soft brush for deeper clean. Third step, rinse with water thoroughly to remove any soft residue. And then, squeeze out the excess water carefully. Don't twist too hard. The last step is sun-dry your bag for 3 until 4 hours. Caring for your bag means caring for your style. Keep it glowing.